Yes, good afternoon. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Yeah, you know, today I'm here to talk about One Love, the Bob Marley movie, and something that sit right with me. Ziggy, you want to tell me, say, all of them actors there with our Jamaica, Paul Campbell, even your own brother, Biggs, were acting a shatter. You want to tell me, say, you couldn't give nobody from Jamaica a chance to play Bob Marley, brother? Eh? All the great actors were their own, were Jamaican. You couldn't find a Jamaican man to play Bob Marley. Better yet, you couldn't make your brother play Bob Marley. Hmm? Because everybody know Kimani is a good actor. You know me I say? And in Hollywood, until you get a role, sometimes you have to lose weight for it, sometimes you have to put on weight for it. So if I had a weight problem, I joke thing that because the dog could have gone in a training and get prepared for the role. But you never give nobody a chance from Jamaica to portray Bob. I want to know why. And years now, Bob passed away and gone and left him legacy to him children them. But the children them don't do anything. And let me repeat that. They don't do anything within Jamaica like a good organization or a foundation for the youth them. The only thing me say Bob Marley pitting them do at Jamaica. I will see Della do to the women's national team. I commend her for that. But otherwise, a joke thing better. Bob Marley picking them selfish. Them hungry to think about them and them family alone. You know me I say? Me never see them try put on nobody else at Jamaica. I try to uplift nobody else at Jamaica. Give nobody a strength at Jamaica. You know me I say? And when this come out, a whole heap of people are going to vex. Me not care. You know me I say? Me not care. Me and all Kaya good have vex too. Because her family me I talk about so she good have vex when time she see me. So Kaya my bridging. You know me I say? Years me know Kaya, I watch her grow up and you know me I say? Miss Cherry, I'm a bridging. R.I.P. Miss Cherry. Rest in peace. You know me I say? But let me tell you something, man. There's no way when you get a Trinidadian man to play Bob Marley when so much great actor there in Jamaica. Me myself is an actor. You know me I say? But that's beside the point. My time I go come. Yeah, my time I go come. You know me I say? Me not rush nothing. Me ain't a ace. But as an iconic revolutionary singer like Bob Marley, only a Rasta from Jamaica could have portrayed Bob Marley the way he was supposed to be portrayed in that movie. And there's a lot of things we see on the left out of the movie. How come on now show the side of Bob Marley when I be a girl, my girl down the place. The only thing on the show in the movie is um the picture of them dead away from the part when him and Rita argue in a France and Rita tell him say, but all of the picture them where you can't come put for me and all kind of thing. Brother, that story they're not even accurate. You know me I say? I mean you know say I be a criminal used to fire around Bob Marley, brother. Gunman, I be a gunman used to there around Bob Marley. You see me? And the only man me not seen at the movie, I'm want to know why. Why me not see Alan Skill Cole in the movie? It's a Bucky Marshall and we see Blood Clip Mass Up. And the only two men them they can recognize in the movie from the movie start. You see them, you just know so them. If the two men them play them, really look like them two men. You see me? You want to tell me say you couldn't find nobody at Jamaica that look like Bob, act like Bob, sing like Bob, and move like Bob, imitate Bob? So much blood cleat Rasta with our yard. Brother, me lose half on brother. Nah, right. A time for to start blood cleat. Give people recognition at Jamaica, brother. And help the nation like our father did help the nation. You see me? We don't do nothing for the nation, brother. Real talk. You see me? The movie, me not bash the youth up the movie, because this have nothing to do with him, Him do what him supposed to do. You see me? This is strictly and straightforward to the Marley family. You see me? I be a gunman and I buy a blood clot gun at Jamaica down in a blood clot Rima. You see me? And over blood clot Greenwich Farm. We don't do nothing for the youth them at Jamaica. Straight me I tell you now. I'm not afraid to talk. And a boy can't do me nothing. What house me come from? Marky must come in here. No boy can't do me nothing. You see it? Yeah, man. I real talk me I tell you, man. A time for Bob Marley putting them change, man. You know me I say? Time for to start do some charity work a yard, man. And do things for the youth them in a Jamaica, man. Uplift the youth them a yard, man. Yeah, man. Otherwise, from that still, everything good, man. You know me I say? Blessed day. Please like, share, and subscribe at Global Watch Media. All right. Jamaica, have a blessed day. Happy Sunday.